Guys, welcome to my channel. And first welcome to this website www.com. This is gigabyte.com. This is a officially website for you can download driver, any check, any workout related to gigabytes. Okay, so you can see here, click to search and type your model number of your graphic card. B760 Gaming X Wi-Fi 6E Generations 5. After that, just single click to hit enter. Now you can see here it is searching, and then click to product, and then click to title of B760. Then click to support. Select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. So guys, this is video we try to install Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, installations process same. You just select Windows 10 and 11 any, you can watch this video and install the driver. Okay, audio driver, click to download. Okay, so this is 165 size, just single click to download. After you click just here, you can see automatically start here downloading. Okay, this one. So guys, I already installed, you can see here 165 MB, just single click. Now this is extracted. If you have to extract, you click to here and any specific folder and then you install. Otherwise, you just click on directly, double click on that exe, and you can install directly with extracted data. Then click to yes. Now you can see here audio driver installing. So when it is done, it will close automatically. So then it is done and close it.